This super adorable cage was gifted to me, and in this video I'd like to share the things that I absolutely love about it, as well as the things that I wish were different. Here's what we have included in the box. Of course, we have our user manual, and I like how nicely it's packaged. It has a lot of styrofoams, so it arrives nice and scratch-free. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is absolutely adorable. It feels like a real wood to me, and it does smell like a wood. And I like how nicely everything's labeled. You can clearly see the numbers. You don't have to spend forever trying to figure out which number this is. All of the necessary screws. I'm gonna go ahead, finish up unboxing, and show you how to assemble it. First, we're gonna take the bottom part and attach the side panels to it and make sure that these holes, they are facing you. And then we're gonna secure the back panel, insert acrylic glass, and finally we're gonna secure the top. And when you're gonna be attaching the top, make sure that the hinges, they do look up, because we're gonna need to be able to open and close this thing. Here's my final result. I absolutely love it. It looks very, very pretty, very stylish, and we even have handles on both sides, so we can easily pick it up and carry it from place to place. I love this see-through window. We can see our animal, and it just looks so adorable. I think it makes absolutely stunning statement in any house. I really, really like it. It has ventilation holes on both sides, right here and right here, and we have ventilation holes at the top as well, so there's plenty of air inside. And now let's talk about the things that I wish were different. It is advertised as a cage for guinea pig. I feel like this is pretty small cage for the guinea pig. It is very nice cage for small animals like hamsters or something else, but for my guinea pig, this is pretty small. Also, this window right here, it is made out of acrylic, so you need to be really gentle with it because acrylic can easily scratch up. I know glass would cost more, but it would actually last longer. Other than that, I think this is absolutely stunning cage for a small animal. So if you have a small animal like hamster and looking for a nice cage, give this one a try and see if you like it.